Hi, I'm Simon from Sailing Britican. We help get people into the cruising lifestyle. What couple of months we've had, wow, it's been non-stop with boat projects and getting people on. So the boat projects we did was the fuel injector on the main engine. I needed to get that replaced. Couldn't find one anywhere in the world, but then I had to go and get it refurbished. So I had to send it over to Miami and it came back. So that was that done. Then we swapped out the old generator for the new generator. Oh, and I'm so happy with it. It's fantastic. For that, in between that, during that, and after it, we've had 6 Britican experiences. We had Murphy and Stephanie. We've had Keith, Les for the second time, Dave and Linda. We've had Ivana, Sasha and Eva. Also, we just said goodbye to Dave and Lana. So in between the Britican experience and the major jobs, we've been doing lots of other little things as well. We had our boom van repaired. Both Kim and I noticed in the window, the central window there, that it was all hazy and dirty. So I went up there, I found hydraulic fluid. I thought, oh great. So cleaned it all up. Spoke to FKG here in St Martin and they were brilliant, really quick. This was at like 4 o'clock last night. By 5 o'clock, they were sending 2 guys out today. They've come, they've just taken it off. So it's a boom van, and what that does, it controls the height of the boom and the angle of it, so I can pull it down, get it nice, get the sail nice and tight, or if there's less wind, I lift it up and gets more shape into the sail. So it's very important, and also you don't want it falling on your head because if you don't have a top inlift, if your top inlift breaks and that snaps, then you're in trouble. But we're good. Lost a seal on the oil. It's also lost a seal on the gas as well. So it's 2 things that have gone wrong with it. So they're going to bring it back tomorrow, stick it back on. So thanks FKG. So we're bleeding at the moment, so I'm just putting a little bit of pressure on and they're just getting the air out of the lines. Yeah, pressure now. So we're pumping it down so we can get it back on the boom. Workout today. I put new sheets on the head sail. I'm changing the Genoa sheets. This one's really old and starting to fray. So we have some new ones that we ordered a long time ago. And oh yeah, I was cooking a British Sunday dinner, and as I was just about to put the Yorkshire puddings in, I opened it up and the glass shattered in the front panel. Luckily ours is double glazed. So I'm just thinking, what do we have to do? Can't get it replaced. I'm thinking of what our next step is with our cooker. Yorkies.
No Yorkies.
So what about COVID and the vaccinations?
Okay, we just got our shots.
Yeah.
Yep. So
Thank you, St Martin.
yeah, we're very fortunate to be in a good place to get them.
Yeah. We've been here 6 months, so we're allowed to get it. So that's good.
And we've got our next appointment that's coming up, and it's 1 day after our next charter. So it works out perfect.
Brilliant.
So, yay. Do you feel it? No, I don't feel mine either. So poor Sienna has been sitting in the car for
an hour.
and 500 more.
And what happened was they didn't have the vaccination. They kept giving us updates saying that the vaccination is on the first bridge, then it's on the second bridge or something. And it's the Pfizer one, so I guess it has to be kept cold or something.
Yeah, it's a bit cold and they can't shake it and stuff like that. That's what they were saying.
Yeah. So all of a sudden the vaccination came in and then it was...
Wow, they went really quick.
Fast. Yeah, the people here are just phenomenal. Really kind people. Everybody is wonderful. So we're very grateful to be able to have our vaccination now.
Yeah, so we're vaccinated. Yay! One thing I really want to say is I'm super proud of Kim, and she's just published a new book on Sailing Cruiser's Guide to Making Money. And I think it's an awesome book, and something, if you wanted to do this lifestyle, I think it's something you really need to get and read. Brilliant. Well done, Kim. Fantastic.
Thank you, Simon.
So when we've had some time off, we've not relaxed and sat on the boat and done nothing. We've been out with our boat buddies on Tim on Purina and everyone on Tiki Tour. So
oh, it's a video!
Like the blood all over the tissue.
3, 2, 1, go!
You guys having fun?
Yeah, very good.
Is that your fun thing?
That's I haven't got an electronic effect.
Yeah.
So Sienna's doing well, and she had a room inspection. Let's see how she's going on. Stand by bed inspection of our daughter. We're going to see how it goes. Stand by beds!
Brown! Coolest daughter in the world. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Right, Brown. Let's have a check of your room. Oh, look at this! What's this mess here? Come here, look at that. Look. Oh!
Oh.
Oh my, I've only just walked in. It's a lot tidier than it was, I must admit. But there's a mess there. What's this? This is not our army bedroom. What is it? Ah! So we got Sienna to take the trash out, and she had trouble getting back onto the dinghy. I wonder why.
Oh, we got iguanas. This guy's leaving. I don't think he's happy.
He's still
You made it back alive.
It was our daughter Sienna's 11th birthday call. Where's the time gone? And she wanted to do something which isn't normal for an 11-year-old kid. She wanted to have a stay in a hotel and a swimming pool with a jacuzzi. So Kim booked us into this fantastic place, and we got an upgrade. Yeah, and we had a great time while we were there.
enjoying your gift. Oh, Grandpa John.
Grandpa John?
Yeah. Oh my god. Ooh.
underneath it. Wow. Oh my gosh.
There's llamas. I'm so happy. It's another one of those necklaces he got me because my other one broke. Yay!
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for the update. Bye.